Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Health Channel. Today, we're re-diving into a topic that is super important for anyone managing diabetes or simply looking to make healthier food choices. We're talking about protein, specifically the best kinds of meat to incorporate into your diet. Managing blood sugar can feel like a full-time job, but the right foods can make a world of difference. Protein is a powerhouse nutrient. It helps keep you full, stabilizes blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates, and is essential for muscle repair and overall health. But not all meats are created equal, especially when you're keeping a close eye on your health. Some can be high in saturated fats, which isn't ideal. So, stick around as we unpack 7 fantastic diabetic-friendly meat options that are both delicious and beneficial for your health journey. Ready to unlock the power of protein? Let's get started. First up on our list is a true superstar, skinless chicken breast. I know. It sounds a bit basic, but hear me out. Chicken breast is incredibly versatile and one of the leanest protein sources you can find. A 3-ounce serving packs a mighty protein punch with very little fat, especially saturated fat. This is crucial because managing fat intake is just as important as managing carbs for heart health, which is a key concern with diabetes. The beauty of chicken breast is how it adapts to any flavor profile. You can grill it with herbs and lemon, bake it with a medley of colorful vegetables, shred it for tacos or salads, or stir-fry it with ginger and garlic. The possibilities are endless. By removing the skin, you significantly cut down on the fat content, making it a perfect lean foundation for a balanced and satisfying meal that won't cause a dramatic spike in your blood sugar. Next, let's talk about a fish that's swimming with benefits: salmon. If you're looking to boost your heart health, salmon should be your go-to. It's famous for being rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These aren't just fancy acronyms. They are incredible anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce the risk of heart disease, a common complication associated with diabetes. These healthy fats, combined with high-quality protein, make salmon an excellent choice for blood sugar management. The protein and fat work together to slow digestion, which means you feel fuller for longer and avoid those sharp glucose peaks and valleys. When you're shopping, look for wild-caught salmon if possible, as it often has a better fatty acid profile. Try it baked with a little dill and lemon, grilled on a cedar plank, or flaked into a hearty salad. It's a delicious way to care for your heart and your glucose levels at the same time. Number 3 on our list might surprise you: lean cuts of beef. Yes, you read that right. Beef can absolutely be part of a healthy diabetic diet as long as you choose wisely. The key is to look for the words loin or round in the name. Think sirloin steak, tenderloin, or top round roast. These cuts are significantly lower in saturated fat compared to their fattier counterparts like ribeye or T-bone. Beef is also an exceptional source of iron, zinc, and vitamin B12, nutrients that are vital for energy production and immune function. When you're preparing it, try methods like grilling, broiling, or roasting to allow any excess fat to drip away. And remember, portion control is your best friend. A 3 to 4 ounce serving is plenty to get all the nutritional benefits without overdoing it. So go ahead and enjoy that lean steak, paired with a mountain of non-starchy vegetables for a truly balanced and satisfying meal. Moving on to number 4, let's gobble up some knowledge about turkey, specifically ground turkey. This is an absolutely fantastic and lean alternative to ground beef, especially the higher fat varieties. When you're at the store, make sure to check the label and choose ground turkey that is at least 93% lean. This ensures you're getting a high-protein, low-fat option that's perfect for managing both your weight and your blood sugar. Ground turkey is incredibly versatile. You can use it to make delicious and juicy burgers on whole wheat buns. Whip up a hearty chili loaded with beans and veggies. Make flavorful meatballs for a pasta dish with zucchini noodles, or create a savory meatloaf. It readily absorbs the flavors of whatever herbs and spices you cook it with, so don't be shy. Season it well to create a meal that's not only healthy, but also incredibly tasty. It's a simple swap that can make a big difference in your weekly meal plan. Our fifth diabetic-friendly meat is another champion from the sea: tuna. Canned tuna, in particular, is an affordable, convenient, and incredibly healthy protein source. Just like salmon, tuna is packed with those amazing omega-3 fatty acids that support heart and brain health. It's a fantastic, quick option for lunches or light dinners when you don't have a lot of time to cook. When you're buying it, opt for tuna packed in water instead of oil to keep the fat and calorie count down. You can whip up a classic tuna salad using Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise for an extra protein boost and less fat. Or you can mix it into a whole wheat pasta salad, stuff it into bell peppers, or create delicious tuna patties. It's a pantry staple that makes it easy to put together a high-protein, blood sugar-friendly meal in just a few minutes. Don't overlook this humble cannage, a nutritional powerhouse. Coming in at number 6, we have pork tenderloin. This is often called the other white meat, and for good reason. Pork tenderloin is one of the leanest cuts of pork available, rivaling even skinless chicken breast in its low-fat content. It's tender, flavorful, and a wonderful source of high-quality protein, as well as B vitamins like thiamine, which is essential for carbohydrate metabolism. Because it's so lean, it's important not to overcook it, as it can become dry. A quick roast in the oven or a sear on the grill is all it takes. It pairs beautifully with fruits like apples or peaches, which can be cooked down into a naturally sweet sauce without added sugar. You can slice it into medallions for a quick stir-fry, or roast it whole with your favorite herbs like rosemary and thyme. Pork tenderloin proves that you can enjoy rich, savory flavors while still making a choice that supports your health and blood sugar goals. And finally, our 7th diabetic-friendly meat is cod. This mild, flaky white fish is another excellent choice for a healthy diet. Cod is wonderfully low in fat and calories, but still provides a solid amount of protein. While it doesn't have the high omega-3 content of fatty fish like salmon, it's still a fantastic lean protein that fits perfectly into a blood sugar-conscious eating plan. Its mild flavor makes it a great canvas for a wide variety of seasonings. You can bake it with lemon and parsley, broil it with a sprinkle of paprika and garlic powder, or use it in healthy fish tacos with a fresh salsa and a side of black beans. Because it cooks so quickly, it's perfect for busy weeknights. Including fish like cod in your diet a couple of times a week is a great way to get high-quality protein without the added saturated fat found in many other protein sources. So there you have its 7 delicious and diabetic-friendly meats to add to your grocery list. We've covered skinless chicken breast, salmon, lean beef, ground turkey, tuna, pork tenderloin, and cod. Remember, the key principles are choosing lean cuts, practicing portion control, and using healthy cooking methods like baking, grilling, or broiling. Pairing these proteins with plenty of fiber-rich vegetables, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates will create balanced, satisfying meals that help you manage your blood sugar levels effectively. Managing diabetes is a journey, and having a diverse and delicious menu makes that journey so much more enjoyable. It's not about restriction. It's about making smart, informed choices. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this information helpful and feel inspired to try some of these protein options. Which one is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips for healthy living, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to us. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.